Marty. Stay. Oh, all right, Eli. Get in the truck. We gotta go to Rural King. Woo! What do you think back there, Boone? You laying down like a good boy? Oh, hey Boone, what's up, dude? That's my buddy. Going to the Rural King. Get some Christmas supplies for the kennel.
How's it going, sir?
Hey, man, how you doing? Eli boy works for me. Brought my Bronco up here the other day. We put a muffler on it for me. You know what that makes yet? It's this blue and white Bronco on it.
You mean, have we already looked at it, or?
Yeah, you already looked at it.
Oh, okay.
But he brought it up here for me, and I was just...
There was a man, I can't think, he had a chipped tooth. He was out there with me talking.
Oh, I mean, you want us to, you asked me, can we do it? Is it, what you mean, yeah, we can get you in a little while. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's finishing up one right now. We're just a little behind today, so I can probably get to about 3.
Okay.
And if you want to bring it back at 3, I gotta just.
I brought him up here with the truck to follow me.
So you're just gonna leave it a little while?
If that's okay, it's parked right here.
Yeah, okay. So, did you come with it the first time?
Yes, sir.
Come on out. Oh, you videoing the dog?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come on out.
Thank you. Stay there, Eli. Stay.
Yes, sir. How you doing today, sir?
What is it?
He's from California.
Oh.
We're trying. Yeah, his parents are out in California waiting for the house to get rebuilt. So we're doing everything we can so he's the best dog possible. And as you can tell, pretty solid.
As quiet as possible.
Oh, we'll put a stock. We'll put a stock muffler on it. That way,
I want it to be as quiet as possible, sure. And you know what I'm getting is a little bit of exhaust smell.
Okay.
You know, so I want no exhaust smell, and I want it as quiet as possible. Where the exhaust, where it's
Plans?
Yeah, there, yeah. That's where it's messed up.
Okay. That's the big front plans. Check.
And probably that's all that's wrong with it. The muffler it's on, it's not that old.
Yeah.
But it's just one of those supposedly performance mufflers, and I don't want a performance muffler. I want it to be quiet. I thought it sounded good at the time when I put it on there.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Yeah, and I thought.
Then you want to go hunting or fishing, and you don't want to hear it no more.
Yeah, and I thought, well, hell, why would you want it to be loud? You know.
That's a '90s model. What year is it?
It's 89.
89. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't make them too many years, so.
They made that body style 89 through 96. I think.
Yeah.
It's got a 6-cylinder. You know, if it had a straight 6, if it had a V8 in it, I'd put some nice sounding exhaust on it. You know, but that 6-cylinder, it just sounds like a drone. You know, you drive it down there. It's got 456 gears in it, so it doesn't go very fast anyway. So the whole time you're driving it, with that loud exhaust, you know that.
Hey, pretty man, what's going on? He's waiting on you, ain't he, Daddy?
Yeah, well,
y'all training him? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I own a dog training kennel.
Yes.
And so we just thought since we were coming up here,
Can I go talk to him, or are y'all still working with him?
No, well, yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Is we're trying to get him to where people can talk to him.
Yeah.
And
He likes to jump and hug.
Jump and bark. And
They
stuff
love
like
to love
that.
everybody.
Yeah,
Don't they do?
yeah.
So is his owner? Are you the owners, or are you just training?
No, man, some people in California own him, and they're moving to Georgia, and he was acting pretty much out of sorts, and so they got him in a layover here. They're not gonna pick him up when they move to Georgia. He's very pretty. That's what's called a fox red lab.
He is going.
He's a great dog. Yeah, but if you want to pet him, I got to treat you.
Wayne, get his number there. I want to go over and say hi to the little fella. He's doing. Looks like he's doing pretty good. So, hello, young man. How you doing? I got baby boys and girls too. What you doing, sweetie? You don't want me touching you? I won't. You can come to me if you want to. Daddy said it was okay. Or your main man said you could. Thank you for the kisses. I love kisses too. You could go and stay with me, but my little babies would probably freak out when they see you. You're a handsome young man. I don't have any more. I'm sorry. I don't have any more. I'm so sorry. Well, you don't want to talk to me? I don't have any more. You don't want to talk to me? Yeah, give me a kiss. Thank you. I love pretty boys, and you're so handsome. Yes, you are. I love pretty men. And pretty girls too. You're gonna make somebody a good baby. Yes, you are. You love everybody, don't you? Yeah, I stink. I know. I'd love to have you, but I'm sure they don't want to get rid of you. I know. What's he wagging his little tail? Oh God, yes. I do love dogs. Yeah, I know. I'd be glad to take you just the way you are. You are so handsome and so good. He said, rub my back, old man. Shut up. I don't care. You can just keep right on swiping. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Scratch my back and shut up.
And let me lick you.
Oh, God, I love to have you. I wish I had a place like 10, 20 acres and let you get loose on it. Oh, gosh, he's beautiful.
And then see, so what we're trying to do is people want to come up and pet him and love on him, and we're trying to get him to where when they take their attention away from him, he's okay with that.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? Because the dogs, they don't get themselves in trouble when they're doing what the people want.
Mm-hmm.
See, you come up and pet them, and a lot of dogs, when you pet them, they just don't like the part where you stop.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Yeah.
I tell people that dogs are like 18-year-old boys. You can't just pet on them. And then,
you can't
I get all these
expect it.
ladies that come out to my kennel and they want their dogs to be good. And I'm like,
Yeah.
look, that's like an 18-year-old boy.
You can't do
what
it.
happens when you rub on them? They ain't done when you're done. You know? All right.
I love
Listen,
it.
man, I'll be back
All right,
about
brother.
4:30 or 5.
We'll call you the minute we get done. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
All right, guys. Appreciate
Hey,
it.
see y'all later.
And the keys.
It's in it.
Okay.
Yeah. Here we are at the Rural King. Come on, boo. Rural King there, you know. Never mind. There's a chicken. See? What do you think about that chicken, bud? Come on, let's go. Very good.
What's your location? Okay, I'll meet you there.
More chickens.
It won't go down.
You don't know how to. Look, Eli can't use this gimbal. That's what we got going on. Lots of baby chicks.
What you think, Boone? Boone's like,
Dunbar,
what?
you have a call on line 1. Dunbar, line
I
1.
understand it now.
Well, there used to be some rabbits over here. Sit. Stay. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I thought they were just stocking with
I didn't
that.
want to lug it all the way down. To
No,
the
no, I don't blame you. I thought it was just a stocking cart. All right.
I put him over here next to this girl.
Your videotape.
I'm sending it to his owners.
Oh, yeah.
Fixing girl out.
This way. Sit. Stay. All right, Eli, give me the camera. Oh. All right, let's see if any of those insulated overalls will fit you. What do you think, Boone? We get Eli some overalls.
I didn't say that.
Can I get somebody back to the key machine to cut a key? Somebody back to the key machine to cut a key.
You get paid, you are.
Eli's too little. Are you too little for grown-up clothes, Eli?
I think so. I think so. Let's see.
Apparel, you have a phone call on line 3. Apparel, line 3.
What do you think, Boone?
That you don't want to acknowledge that I do everything kind for you. You don't want to admit that. That's too much. Because I don't do enough there. Just don't like doing enough.
Good boy, Boone. Woo. I'm trying to get the popcorn, dude. Why are you trying to get the popcorn? Dogs aren't supposed to eat popcorn. Thanks, it's a fox red.
2, you have a call on line 1. 2, line 1. Gun barn, line 2. Gun barn, line 2.
Give me $95.33. He's gorgeous.
Oh, this is chick.
Yes.
No more guns. No more guns. Whatever you tell them.
Can you tell Mary Britt there's a customer complaint online too? Customer complaint online too? Management?
You have a good day.
You know, if I sit down, you might think I might not be able to stand. Beautiful dog.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you. There we go.